How to fix unable to answer incoming calls on an iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix you not being able to pick up a call right after you pull it out from a pocket. So this basically is a feature by iPhone itself that when your phone is in pocket and you get a call, your call automatically does not get picked up. So this is a feature and kind of a security mechanism. So this is not really a bug or this is not really a problem. So what you can do here is just when you get a call and you cannot slide to answer, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on your power button once, and after you do so, tap on your power button again. Now after you've done that, your phone will light up again and then you'll be able to answer the call. So this is really a simple fix. This is not a huge problem. Now yeah, sometimes it can get a bit annoying that you cannot pick up a call, but this is a simple fix. All you need to do is just tap on your power button once and tap on it again, and after it lights up, just slide to answer. So yeah, that is basically it guys. That's all for the video too. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.